Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and let's talk about BusyBox. So BusyBox combines tiny versions of many common Unix utilities in a single small executable. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of embedded Linux, as the single executable replaces basic functions of more than 300 common commands. And so BusyBox can be used to interactively debug services to ensure they are working. I'm pretty sure on the CKD, you will use BusyBox for things. And in this course, we use BusyBox. So that is something that we can do there. Usually it's going to be something like kubectl run .it. So interactive T. I don't know what the IT stands for, but I remember doing it many times. But this is an example of running BusyBox that is continuously running, and you can sh into it and then use its many commands. One command it does not have, which is very frustrating, is curl, because I really prefer curl over wget. So even though it has 300, it doesn't have curl. But I guess you can't have all the commands you want, but it is still very useful.